Hi guys, hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. This channel is for quality assurance and quality control and non-destructive testing. This activities we are delivering step by step. What is the activities is going in oil and gas and fertilizer and power plant like construction projects. The construction projects what they are doing the quality activities we are explaining and we are giving to study to you. So see the videos my channels and learn something for your better future and grow up your studying and grow up your career and all the best. Okay guys, then go to the subject now.
Hey guys, let's start the subject now. This is a QA QC Welding Inspector interview questionnaire, part 1 video. I mentioned 10 of most important and basic question and answer, and every 90% of interviewer asking this question. So please concentrate very carefully this question and answer, and please make a note for this. And this is very useful for as a fresher, very useful to you. Please watch very carefully and we go through the question and answer. Now is the first questions. What is an inspection and test plan? See, inspection test plan means it's called ITP. This ITP is a basic document as a quality. It is a mandatory item in the quality plan to guide and assure quality in a specific type of work in a specific sequence of QC activity steps. Review, witness, and hold point. Review means if you done one job and you offer client and third party anybody, and he only the documentation only review point. So the document only review, so that there is a review point. And the witness is must the uh, which you done the job, the client or third party want to come visit the site and see the job, that is called witness. And hold point, same, you done the job, complete the work, you offered that TPA and third party, TPA or client, they want to come and check that joint and anything, and he accepted in approved, then only you go forward. Otherwise you don't go forward. This job is just hold, that is a hold point. These three things mean for the ITP. And the second question is, what is a P&ID? P&ID means piping and instrumentation diagram. It shows piping layout and detailed notes relating to piping and instrumentation. This is the planned overall drawing, like that. The drawing mentioning the pipe where is going, and the instrumentation diagram also is showing clearly. That is a P&ID. And what is the isometric diagram? Isometric diagram, a detailed piping system line drawing with reference to construction and material requirements. The isometric drawing shows all pipe and pipeline is going to which direction, the north, west, east, south, which direction the pipe is going, and the dimension, what is the dimension, and what fitting we are used, T joint or elbow, or what are the fittings they used. And they mentioning separately for the bill of material. Bill of material means what the material was used, the pipe which material, and pipe size, and what how many quantity they want to use, that all mentioning the isometric drawing. What is a PWST? PWST mean post weld heat treatment, defined as any heat treatment after welding is often used to improve the properties of weldment. After complete the weld, as per the WPS, we need to follow the WPS. WPS mentioning the PWST want to necessary, we need to do PWST. PWST is going a higher heat treatment, high temperature. They giving a high temperature because during welding, the weld metal have a not equal temperature, the unequal temperature. So we put high temperature heat, equal temperature, that will improve the properties. Why are we using PWST? To increase the resistance to brittle fracture and relaxing resistance stress. That's called the unequal and equal. That is called relaxing resistance stresses. So to increase the resistance to brittle fracture and relaxing structural resistance stress. Okay, what is the relationship between a procedure qualification record and WPS? WPS means welding procedure specification. PQR, what is the difference from PQR relationship, PQR and WPS? This is a question. And answer is PQR is a quality document. It holds accurate data for non-essential and essential variables, and this recorded all the test results and PWST and mechanical results carried out in the weldmet. And WPS is the mother document of from PQR. The PQR is a mother document. WPS is a separate document. So we need to copy for PQR what current we are using, what voltage are using. We are copy from PQR to WPS. We prepare WPS and upload that one, then and used to the site. The WPS mentioning all the details of how to do weld and which current weld, which voltage was used, travel speed, heat treatment or preheat, and joint details, joint design, and electrode. What is electrode? What to use and which size root, which size, and filler final which electrode and which size. All this mentioned in the WPS. All the mentioned in the PQR also. So first we done the job with PQR, then the PQR is accepted, the PQR is approved, then we prepared WPS from PQR. So we are using the site, it's a WPS, using for WPS. WPS prepared and give to the welder foreman and welders. How is the procedure qualification record different from WPS? The same question is the same thing. Procedure qualification record certificate that test welds performed in accordance with the WPS meet code requirements and summarize the specific test results. Actually, the WPS and PQRs depend upon that section 9. The section 9 is giving the code requirements. That code requirements meet in the WPS and PQR, that is approved and give to the we go forward to the welding. Describe the difference between QA and QC. Quality assurance and quality control. What is the difference? Quality assurance, all planned and systematic activities implemented within the quality system and demonstrated as needed to provide adequate confidence that an entity will fulfill requirements for quality. Quality control, the operational technology and activities that are used to fulfill requirement for quality. Is normally say quality assurance is planned and systematic implemented, and quality control means operational, technical and activities. That is the difference between QA and QC. And what is the NCR? NCR means non-conformity report, a record reporting the variation from the specific codes. Actual means is going on job, is during welding. Example, during welding, during welding we need to follow the WPS. In case you are going to site, you check the joint, check the welding. They are not between the WPS and current during welding. They change the current, they change the voltage, they change the electrode, they change the material. So you raise the NCR. So that NCR, as per the schedule, Q contractor shall respond to all NCRs issued by company in writing within 48 hours of receiving notification of non-conformance, including his proposed corrective action. Contractor shall rework or repair re-inspect items in accordance with the company approved procedure. Contractor shall notify the company representative prior to final closure and non-conformance. You seen any uh, different variation from the code? So you raise the NCR, but the NCR want to close within the 48 hours. We need to complete that issues, and we need to close the issues as soon as possible. Sorry, it's not as soon as possible, 48 hours as per the company standard. We need to follow the company standard and specifications. What is a weld map and how is it used? Weld map as the same as isometric drawing, but isometric drawing not shown any figure. You need to create new figure as built. So you prepared the weld map is in isometric, showing the location and numerical identification of each weld used in the construction of a process of piping system. Each weld, when completed, is labeled with the weld number indicated on the weld map, the date completed, and the welding operator identification the number. The weld map is used for the welding number and welder joint number and welder number, and whatever things you need, you want to mention the pipe, and you make the welding map. That is a weld map. So guys, I hope you understand a little bit for this question and answer. This is very basic and very useful for you. So please, if you not understand, you please one more time you watch this video. I hope you understand clearly. Thank you for your watching this video, and I try to upload part 2 video as soon as possible. Thank you.